Look at that. We are gonna make this frame pop, and the body is gonna be like a Subaru STI blue. That's what she kind of wanted with this pink frame. And the other thing we're gonna do, we are gonna glitter the frame out with this glitter. It's called Voo Doo Bloo. Now I'm gonna throw this on the axles. It's called Toxic. Look at that. That is gonna be crazy. But the frame is gonna be this, and the body. I'm gonna throw this flake on that Subaru STI. It's gonna be sick. Let's see what it looks like. I'm super stoked. Look at that. That's gonna be beautiful.